Zone Ads, World of Local Business Info. Subscribe to our channel, click the bell icon and select all.
Well, friends, it's a great pleasure to introduce you to Mr. Vijay Kulkarni. He has come up with a novel concept of recyclesindia.com. It deals with cycles basically, and let us hear from him as to what are the features of this concept and how he wants to go ahead with this.
Sir, Recycles India is born out of my personal love for cycles. Right from childhood, we are trying to get some good cycles, good cycling time, which is becoming impossible in our day to day life. Now, the cycles is the best exercise. There are lots of benefits of cycle. Actually, it creates a lot of bonding between the cyclists, and we have started some activities for especially for school children also, which includes Sunday cycling club. But recyclesindia.com is started with the main reason to create an affordable atmosphere for buying cycles. Generally, the costs are going up nowadays. All the branded cycles are getting very expensive, but then this cycling is the best thing which is going to happen to the world. So we want all the kids and the people who are enthusiastic cycling enthusiasts to definitely buy a cycle, and for which we thought we will start refurbishing the pre-owned cycles and get access to these cycles for everyone in India.
So, what has been the response for this concept? Have you been able to take it?
We just started this. Now, hopefully, we are looking at people who want to sell their cycles to us, and the main people who will be selling the cycles to us is the kids' parents. Generally, what happens? The kids' parents buy the cycles for children, and they grow out of that age so fast that the cycle is left out without using it, and the parents definitely feel bad. So what we are trying to do is we refurbish those cycles and then sell it to new customers, wherein the affordability is there. The time limit of using any bicycle for a small kid is not more than 6 months. So once that 6 months is over, the cycle becomes inactive and it lies. It becomes unused, and when the parents see that lying idle, they feel very bad about it. So now we have an opportunity. They can always give it to us. We will refurbish and give it to new enthusiasts.
So, for any child who can't afford to buy a new bicycle, he can get it at a reduced price from you.
Yes, we are looking at things like this. Affordability is the key word in this business now. We want to make affordable and give access to cycling to every person in India.
So, it's a wonderful concept as today there is a lot of demand for cycles, and cycling has again caught up with many kids. So, let's hope that it will take a giant leap in the days to come.
Definitely, sir. There are a lot of benefits of this cycling, and today we are getting so health conscious. Instead of spending our hard-earned money on hospitals, better to go for get the benefits of cycling, and for which we are trying to provide them at an affordable rates.
Sir, in the late 70s and 80s, we used to have cycle taxis. So, where we used to hire cycles for 1 hour or 2 hours. So, can Recycles India introduce something of that sort in future?
See, we have plans for doing that. Those people who just want to go out for one day and they don't have a cycle, we definitely would like to provide them with cycles on rent, which will be a real good concept, and they need not worry about how to maintain that, how to keep it safe, and how to keep it running. That is all our Recycles India's headache. We will just rent it out so that they will enjoy at least one day and then give it back. So no headaches of maintaining the cycles.
So it was nice talking to you, Mr. Vijay Kulkarni, and although the concept is not new, but it is definitely the need of the hour in the today's this thing. So I wish you all the best for a bright future.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir.